to my channel. Yes, you are not seeing a ghost. It is indeed Shammy in the flesh. So today I'm going to a football match. I think it's a match viewing. I'm not 100% sure. I just got the invite. I'm gonna say, you know what, me I go. I kind of have an inkling that it's for the Brazil match, in which case I am not properly attired because I am wearing a Messi jersey and I do not support Argentina. I do not support Argentina, but this is the only football jersey that I have. I've yet to buy my French jersey. I have made the executive decision that I am not buying a Brazil jersey. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy my French jersey. So yeah, but this is the OOTD. Hold on. So I just have the jersey and this activewear like skirt, and then my sambas and my trusty like a Steve Man purse. So this is the outfit. Of course I added my accessories and stuff, but this is the outfit. I think it's cute. We might stop somewhere afterwards. I'm just gonna take a pair of heels with me, a pair of black heels with me in the car. And yeah, this is the Friday evening OOTD. Not gonna hold you. I did not feel like coming out the house, but Shelby was like, let's go. And I was like, you know what? Life is meant for living. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna have a good time. And I'm not gonna think about anything that is stressing me right now. I'm just gonna have a good weekend. Despite this was not the plan, I had a whole plan for the weekend. Like, things change, but you know what I'm saying, man, I plan got a wife, everything I'm fair reason. We're going to watch the match, whatever match it is. We're going to watch our football. We are here.
So you know Brazil side? Yeah. Like you seriously know Brazil side?
How y'all doing? Which side I bring to the Messi? I'm not bring that to Messi. The lady have on her Brazil color style, you know? Hello. I'm in a Messi jersey. Oh wait, did I ever show? Oh yeah, I'm showing them.
How many World Cups has Brazil won? 5.
How much World Cup Brazil win? I don't know. He doesn't know say I bring Brazil.
Current Brazilian team. Who is the youngest player on the team?
It's so bougie over here. We got sweet potato, mashed potato, pork chops, and steamed fish. I took a chance on that steamed fish and ate.
Jordi faced a
put some light in it
yesterday and shrugged off any concerns.
Look at that.
His team doesn't necessarily
so
need an identity yet. Oh, look at that scene.
That was too good. Belly full.
Close to hitting what you would think would be the
time for the match. Time for actually pay attention.
20 minutes.
My side score, guys.
May well just be a deflection off Cunha, so he will be able to play the six. There's the touch, and there is the little touch off Cunha's shin as well.
Period. How kind of bad man TV this? As soon as people square. Come on, man. One Brazil pon the up. Yes, look, he looks straight.
Corner.
Come on. Let's take it back, guys. I'm gonna buy my number 7 jersey. I'm gonna buy it. Get it outside. Oh, damn. Fires alarm. It's shiny.
Good record against teams from the CONCACAF region.
And it's basically
8 clean
over.
sheets in 9 matches.
Brazil
Only Costa Rica the exception.
3-0.
Conceded 2 and a
Period.
5-2.
It is stream how much again.
You don't.
I've never been here before. next day. If when I hear fan breeze in the background, I'm so sorry, but it's so hot. Like today is really hot, and I'm trying not to turn on the AC until I go to bed because that's the only time I really use the AC, or when I'm like getting ready to go out, because getting ready in heat is a different kind of uncomfortable. I don't know. I don't know, like I will imagine you just bathe and then you sit down and doing your makeup and you sleep. Like that's not nice. So that's the only time I use the AC outside of when I'm sleeping. So I'm really trying not to turn it on now, so please excuse the back breeze. But I am doing miracle knots again. This time I'm doing a Cassie style, like with the braids on one side, and you get the vibes. So I decided that since I'm gonna be doing my hair, I might as well do a full-blown maintenance video. It's the next day, by the way. Like what you guys saw in the previous clips, that was last night. So it's Saturday. I've been really feeling like, I mean, I had already planned to do some sort of maintenance once I was gonna do this style. It just so happened that it's happening quicker than I anticipated, but we're gonna look like baddies and conquer the week. This is gonna be the hair. I am not doing the crochet portion of this tonight. If you want to see the full video and the full journey, the full process, the video on that is already up on my channel. Yeah, it will be posted before the vlog. If not, I will indicate somewhere on the screen. But if you want to see that full process, you can go ahead and watch the video down below. The link is in my description box. And yeah, we're gonna get cute. We're gonna look better than how we feel and conquer the week. Also, I started my hair at 10, so let's see how long it takes. It shouldn't take too long because I'm already doing the back portion. As I said, I am doing these plaits larger. I don't know if you guys know or if you guys saw me the last time I did miracle knots, but it took me 8 hours total. Or was it 8 hours? No, it took me 8 hours total to do the miracle knots. That's like a full braid session because, of course, yeah, but I'm not doing that this time. I'm not doing that this time. I'm just going to jam pack each braid with as much crochet hair as I can, and they're gonna be fat. Sorry, I am not sitting down for 8 hours. I braided my hair the other day. When I did it blonde, I braided my hair with the intention of keeping that in for 2 months. Now you guys probably are wondering what happened to the blonde hair. Where did the blonde hair go? I unfortunately had to take it out prematurely because I had a reaction to the braids. I had to go to the doctor and everything. My head back was swollen. It wasn't a fun time. But it turns out I just had a reaction to braids because as soon as I took the braids out, I was fine. I went right back to normal. Like I took medication and everything, and I was trying to keep the braids in. It went down for a bit and then it started to flare again. So I was like, you know what? Let me just take the braids out. Took the braids out. Perfect. So, that's what happened with that. So I've been like kind of out of it. I'm feeling like, you know, I want to do something with my hair. So that's why we're here again. But yeah, this is how much I have left. This is a lot. This is actually a lot. But we're going right. So let me see how long it takes. It is Sunday, which is Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to every man watching if you're a father. I kind of find it hard to believe that. I don't know why it's so hard for me to think that males tune in to my stuff. But anyways, if you're watching with your baby father or your baby father day in the background, happy Father's Day to you, sir. I don't know when this video going up still, you know. It may go up next week because, as I say, my plans kind of get boom up, so I can't upload tomorrow. I just want to shout out Mr. Travis, Mr. Chulum Tours, because he has really, unintentionally, mind you, over the years, played a strong male role in my life. Yeah, when Travis entered our lives as a simple driver, like someone just called a random taxi one night, and that's how we met him. But over the years, we've known Travis over 10 years. Damn, that's crazy. We've known Travis over 10 years, and he has really like become a part of the family. And Travis teach me how to drive. Any little thing happen, if I could at 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm a strand that roadside, I can call him and I'm gonna pick up and him not gonna fuss and him not gonna cuss me. Even if I do something and I mean like in the wrong, I'm gonna put myself in a spot, him not gonna be aggressive with me or like, you know, make me feel bad about it. He's just always there whenever you call. So big up on Travis on the app. Yeah, I realized how important he was to us, and I always knew he was important to us, but he had a health scare, I think earlier this year or in the last year, and it really shaped me up. Come and say, just guys, no, because what? So yeah, big up Travis. Chulum Tours. You guys are always asking me for his number. I'm going to put it right here on the screen and in the description box. Yeah, so if you want airport pickups, right here. Oh no, you can call him for all your travel service needs. Yeah, I'm going to resume the maintenance in a few. I'm just going to eat something. I eat ackee again. Mommy made ackee last night. This is just some of the leftovers. I never want no pumpkin or no dumpling right now, but she also made vegetables, so I think I'm just gonna take one. Bon appetit. Also, if my voice sounds very deep, I'm just not too long wake up. Like, I not even wake up 1 hour good. So and so it is currently 4:23 p.m. I don't know if you're able to see that, but I basically just finished with, well, I didn't just finish, to be fair. I finish and then I do my makeup, so I probably finished like around 3:40 thereabouts, which would mean that took me 3 hours to crochet the hair in. But I have a lot of hair and my hair is long, so you know, I have some inches on me right now, but the hair is super tea. I am obsessed. I am obsessed. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking now. It's time to do the lashes, the nails, and I have my laser appointment on Tuesday, and then that will be me for maintenance. But the hair, wanna make me know if you don't like it down below. It's like Cassie inspired, and it's so but yeah, I'm gonna clean up the space. It's not really that messy because there's no hair on the ground, the hair didn't shed or anything. But like I have a few little stuff about the place I just want to fix up and then make catch them back. I'm actually super duper obsessed with the hair, so I'm gonna see it one more time with the makeup before I take it off. Thank you. All right, sort of. It is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Although no, it's just on a Monday, so really actually I should be saying happy Monday, but it is Tuesday. I got some packages, so I wanted to just show you guys because these are stuff that, well, I've either wanted or I use every day. I got some of them on Saturday and I took them out of the packaging, but I didn't actually open them, so let me show you guys. Okay, so first thing, I think this is my bananas, my baby the best, the one thing I cannot do without in my routine. Yes, my GU toner pads. Listen, cannot live without this. So it's been a staple in my routine. What is that? Time is part of the formula. Okay. I cannot go. This has been a part of my routine for the past 6 months and my skin has loved me for it. So this look like a bit though. This look less than what I used to. I'm sure 100 this. No, with me, you know. I'm sure 100 this look a little bit. Normally it come all the way up and it there, you know. So but yeah, that's one. Let's see what this is. I think I know what it is, and I hope it is it, because if it's not it, man, the shipping company going to have it up. Myself today, I had such a weird encounter with the shipping company. There was this person on the phone that was so rude to me. Like, hello? And it's normally good vibes around there. I don't know what that's about. Sometimes women can be so weird. But yes, I got the Medicube PDRN stick. This is the Volafiline stick. It's supposed to help with like hollowness and stuff like that. You know, they say it's filler in a stick. So I got that. Them some make it hard for home though. Like, you know what me use things. Jeez. Oh, it's so hot. The day is so hot. You guys like my, oh, I want to see 30. It doesn't have a smell, but yeah, been looking forward to this. One thing though, the stuff when you buy them off a TikTok shop, them take long for reach. The shipping take a while, but really excited for this. And last week I got these on Saturday. I got a new Medicube Deep Vita C moisturizer. This is what I currently use on my face. It was finishing, so I went ahead and I bought a new one. Love her down. Like, the Vita C, the Deep Vita C is for when like you have dark spots and stuff and you want to moisturize and actively get rid of the pigmentation. This is your girl. And then I got two new stuff. So I got this Fresh That Lasts Medicube deodorant. It's supposed to help with hyperpigmentation under the arms. I've been using it for like the past 3 days. It's aluminum free. But no, them say aluminum free stuff make you musty over time. But not even say them say, because I've used like 3 aluminum free deodorants before and them make green like cedarwood. Like my girl, like I couldn't believe say me I smell like a me smell so, but yeah. This one so far, it has a heavy vanilla scent and I'm not the biggest fan of vanilla, and it does have a white cast, but it dries down after a while. But it does help to lighten the underarms, and I'm also not the most active person, so I haven't experienced any greenness, and I've been using it twice a day. So that's that. And lastly, I have not been using sunscreen, and I feel like it shows in my skin, so I decided to get the Medicube No Cast Just Do, because them say no, I'm no white cast. I have not tried it yet. I was waiting to get my GU toner pads so I can do my full skincare routine, because I've been just feeling out of place since it done like 3 days now. I feel like me that did. But yeah, I got this Medicube sunscreen, and that's my little haul. If you guys want any of these stuff, they're all linked in my TikTok shop showcase on this account right here. You can just go on my account and go on my showcase, and you can find any of these there. But yeah, I'm so excited. I love getting skincare stuff. So my day is now made, and now I cannot wait to go and shower in the night so I can put on all of these. I'll see you guys soon. I'm going to I RSVP'd for a friend's EP launch this Friday, so I think that's going to give me the motivation I need to finish this maintenance. Probably tomorrow or Thursday. And I got some of the lashes, and I got some of the nails, and I'm going to be showing you guys the lash map, because when I did it for Miami, a lot of you guys are asking me what the lash map was and what lashes I used, so I'm going to show you guys all of that. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm doing that. Guys, a quick change of plans. I'm actually going to, I feel like it's too dark. I put on this ND filter on the camera. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Yeah, I'm going to the Jamaica Food Awards tomorrow. Will you balance up there? I hope you do. Yeah, I'm going to the Jamaica Food Awards tomorrow, so that's Thursday, so that give me an extra pep in my step to actually complete this maintenance that I've been procrastinating doing. So I'm going to be doing my lashes, which means I'm going to be showing you guys the lash map. Please excuse, I'm not the only girl that does not like to fold up her clothes same time. You got me. But yeah, I'm going to be doing my lashes now. First things first, the lashes I'm using, they're from Yaseco. Can you guys see the name to spell it? So I get the spikes. I get the spikes, and then I get these like fluffy ones. I get the pack with the 12s to the 24, 25. Very fluffy, like so soft. So this is what you need if you want it to look like you actually went to the lash stick. My hair, I forgot to touch it up tomorrow with like the one, just some of the curls in the front, make them get back, you know, super curly. But tomorrow we'll do that when we're actually getting ready. But yeah, I normally start with the spikes first. Today I think I'm going for more of a natural look versus the Miami look, which was more dramatic in my opinion. So I'm gonna use 213 spikes, and the glue that I'm using is this eyelash glue that I found in Fontana. It's really strong. I took the lashes off because I was annoyed at the time. It was when my braids was itching and I just never want nothing for me, so I just pop them off. But yeah, that's the glue I'm using. So I start with the spikes first. I place them first, and then I do 3 rows: the spikes, the clusters, and then more spikes. Place another one there. One thing about me, I can't do both eyes at once. I have to do one first and then do the other. So I'm gonna move on to the actual lashes. I think this time I'm gonna do 14, 16, 14. Yeah, 14, 16, 14, 12, 12, 12, 10, 9. That's how we're gonna do it. That is how I do my cluster lashes. It's essentially the same thing as what I did for Miami. It's just a lot more minimalistic this time, or the lengths are just shorter. But yeah, that's it. I'll put the final lash map right here. Tee, I'm gonna do the other eye now. And this is how it looks when both eyes are done. I always say, to myself at least, this eye seems to have more eye space than this eye because it always takes more clusters to do this one than this one. So this one I had to do 14, 16, 14, 12, 14. So 14, 16, 14, 12, 14, 12, 9. Versus over here where it was just 14, 16, 14, 12, 12, 9. Or did I make a mistake? I think I made a mistake. But anyways, I kind of prefer this eye over the first eye. And I feel like one of them look longer, but we move. This is how the lashes are looking, and then next up is nails. These are the 2 nail sets that I am torn between. This matches my outfit for tomorrow, but I don't think it matches my outfit for the weekend or thereafter. And I don't know, it's giving me more like vacation, like I'm actually going somewhere, versus this is what I had my mind set on. But this is so cute, super. By the way, I get my press-on nails from Shein. This is from Amazon, but these ones, like with the style, they're custom made and they're from Shein. Some of them can be a little bit more pricey, but they're worth it because the quality is amazing. But I kind of feel like I think I'm gonna stick with this because this is what I had my mind set on for the longest. So I'm gonna stick with this, and of course I have my lamp here to cure it with my builder gel and all of that. So we're gonna get into that. Alrighty, gals and pals, it's time to get ready for the food awards. I wish there was a way I could screw you guys up to the ring light. Fortunately, there isn't. You know, I have this magnetic thing for the. Let me see if it can work. If when I see the hell when I just go through. Ooh! No, I don't want you to zoom. I want the gimbal to tip right. If when I see the hell when I go through, I want to go for take off my cutesy blue case off of my camera just so I could put on the magnetic tripod to stick you guys to the ring light. Jesus. I will say it's worth it though because I don't have one of the standing tripods. So if I intend to get good videos tonight, which I do for you guys, I would need to remove it. So it's not giving cutesy girly Tiffany blue case where it's been in a from just buy it or not buy it, get it. It's not giving camera like we'll work with it. That just take off about 15 minutes off of my get ready with me time, but it's fine. We're gonna make it work. But yeah, I put on my aluminum deodorant. I don't know who I think maybe, but I'm going to put spray on some of the the little Dove spray on deodorant. I'm gonna spray on some of that before I leave because I don't want nobody go remember me as the green arm girl. Aluminum deodorant is not for the faint of heart. I'm telling you that right now. Although this one that I've been using, I haven't gotten green since I've been using it, but me still not take a check. Cause you know your body have a way for embarrass you at the most inconvenient time. Me nah go say oh me no green since me use it, so me nah go green tonight. Me don't know how hot the place gonna be, and me not really in the mood to find out at the wrong moment. So oh my god, you guys are holding on so nice. This is actually my first time using this magnetic thing since I bought it because from I get the camera I fling it in the blue case and the blue case can't fit in this, so yeah. But I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna go. I've been wanting to go to this for such a long time. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would probably hear me talk about it. I think last year when I was going to the supermarket and I was passing them setup, I was like, I really want to go. I would really want to go to that one at a time then. But I've never been invited or received a ticket, but now I'm going. Before it look extra huge, but bear with me. Yeah, we're going to the food awards, so I'm going to speed through the makeup portion and come back to you guys when I'm gonna be showing you my outfit. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, so I'll talk to you in a few. Alright guys, so I just finished getting dressed, putting on my scents of the night, which what? You know off a drop murder, no why wait, hold on. Alright, so I'm safe and secure upon the tripod now. Yeah, before I was going to put on my cologne, I just remember say I'm gonna put on the spray deodorant. Hold on. Who's emailing me at this hour? This is the one I was telling you guys about. So the cast clear now, like it gone. Still there, I can still smell the goodness, the vanilla. As much as I don't really like vanilla, but I can still smell the scent. So just tap it off with a little bit of this. Come now, yeah, bill. My sweat is such in other like me not sweat, but this would be one of them times when I sweat. Like my body very annoying when it's ready. Nice and clean. And then bring the hair back to the front. I'll curl up some of the pieces for refresh it. love this. I got this for my birthday. I don't remember if I told you guys, but I got this for my birthday. I'm obsessed. I'm in love with this one. Got it for me because it was on my list for like 2 years and nobody never amazed me. And I finally got it. Smells so good. But yeah, this is the OOTD. I have this set from, I bought it from Lee's. Remember when I did the shopping spree with NCB? I got it at that time. I'm wearing clear heels and I'm just wearing my little silver bag. Catch it under my arm. Cute and girly. Right. So I'm not driving because I said like the parking situation is very bad and weird. So I'm waiting on Travis to pick me up. He's gonna pick me up at 6:30. It's now 6:15. So until then, I just gotta take 2 snaps, you know. Do what girls do. And actually I'm gonna try to fit it into my bag because my Oski is supposed to go in here so as well as the camera. Cause my mom said I'm not drive, so we're gonna work it out. I'm gonna try to fit it into the bag right now. Although I don't really want to put it up. You know what? I'll just carry it up on mine. It's alright. And I'm an unofficial +1 tonight. So right. So me come back to I'm in the. Oh, I should bring my light to put on top of you guys so that one can see the stuff. Should I? I don't know. Let's come. Guys, say hi to Travis. A long time we didn't see him. But him very much there. But and one question I always ask him, why sometimes when I take Travis and I ask Travis which part me there? There me yard. And Travis don't live together. But yeah. One Chulum Tours. Yeah. If you want to book him, the information there right here. So.
I don't know what you wanna try. Every time you see do you remember when we fell in love? We were young and innocent. How it all began, it just seemed like heaven. So I did it, and do you remember? You beat me back in the fall. You beat me back, we beat again. I heard you all day long. Do you remember? Let us hold in hands. You beat them, each other's eyes. We stand. Tell me, do you remember the time when we fell in love? Do you remember the time when we first met, girl?
First thing of the evening. Here's what is on the line is so far out. Wow. I would have told you a little secret, but I keep it a secret. Because, you know? Yeah. But I might play this. If you know, you know. Yeah. So I got rice and peas curry goat, oxtail pasta, curry corned beef, and roti. God go with my belly. Slap. to give me Miami flashbacks with the caviar. Hell no! And that's the end of food hour 223.
I try with all you can't say me no try Shami. Shami me give my Shami.
It's a different, it's a broke. Wow, she has to put, she has slide.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, I saw them all the baby so.
Guys, I'm here.
The lady on the bus with me.
It's something to pop my uncle a while ago, I'm not run. Hi, nice. I am home. The makeup is still looking fresh. I'm just gonna slip out of these clothes, put on my yard clothes, and go and watch Love Island episode 19 or 20. I think it's, I don't remember. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. To be honest, let me give my feedback now, because I always say I'm going to give feedback in the morning and I never remember. So all these years I've been hearing about food awards, I've been seeing the setup, and I've been wishing I was invited or wish I could get a ticket to go. That was never the case. This year I was able to go. I would expect it to be way more than what it was. It was a little bit confusing, it was a little bit overwhelming. Every booth was playing music, it was just a lot going on, and it was hard to really hop around effectively. Like, a lot of the booths that I went into didn't have any food, and then I thought they would be serving drinks that was aligned with their brand. For example, if I went into Heineken, I would expect, if you're gonna serve me a cocktail, it would be a Heineken infused cocktail. That wasn't the case. It just had a regular bar, and I was just kind of confused, to be very frank. But it was all in all a good experience. The best food I had was from Sonia's. The last thing I had to eat was from one park, that bone marrow thing. I almost threw up, and since that I wasn't really, no, that's not the last thing I ate, sorry. The last thing I ate was this vegan food from Stush in the Bush. But the bone broth thing I had from one park really set my indigestion off, and I wasn't really able to indulge after that. But yeah, that's my experience in a nutshell. I had a lot to eat though. I had a lot to eat. It's just that the food, that one thing really messed up my stomach, because I have a very sensitive stomach. So if one thing made me feel nauseous, it straps. But it was an okay experience. I would rate it a 6 out of 10, to be very honest. It wasn't very experiential. I would have expected it to be more experiential for the price point. But that's just me, and that's just my honest 2 cents. Maybe others won't feel the same, but yeah, I'm gonna go change out of these clothes and go watch Love Island. I hope I did a good job in showing what the experience was and taking you guys through the experience. So that's that. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow when I have the EP launch up by Meza Luna. So it's the next day, it's Friday. I'm putting together my outfit to wear to my friend's EP launch, right? Why am I take up the shoes when I just buy, well, not me buy, but we just buy in a Miami. And look there, it tip a rabble way. Mind you, only wear it once, and this is how it look. The tip almost I got give out for me, so if I wear it tonight, it's a possibility. So may I ear nail pan ground? Them places have to do better. But may I go? It's 5:30. I'm leaving home at 7, so I have to start getting ready from now. So I'm still checking back with you now when my makeup actually done, because yeah, I can't go right now with it today. Alright guys, so this is the outfit. The lighting is a little bit weird because I use my old ring light, but I decided to go with the capris and the heels. Of course, I'm going to use lotion on my foot. And wow, my little brown bag. It's giving a little monochromatic moment. Gold accessories my favorite. I love gold accessories. I hate silver. I barely have any silver jewelry, so whenever I wear clothes like last night where I'm supposed to be wearing silver edges, silver jewelry, I'm always not coordinated properly. I'm gonna end up dropping the gold anyway because I don't have no silver jewelry. So I'll just fix this real quick. Kind of want to put back on my little cute blue case because this looks very masculine. It looks very heavy duty. Not real metal. And I can't find much places to stick it. Okay, this is one. Ah! Okay. I'm obsessed with this look. I really think that this hair is me. It's now 6:50. I'm gonna leave at 7, so I'm gonna take the time to pack up the place because I really hate coming back to a dirty room. That's not even really like dirty, like coming in and having ring light for pack up. No, so let me just do all of this right now and then I'll come back to you. We're here waiting on the elevator. It's 7:30. It started at 7, so not bad, not bad. Hopefully them have food on sale because I'm hungry. Hopefully nobody's not there nearby. Yes, please. Going up. Let's see if we can get one little aesthetic video. Alright, hold on. Guys, can you believe I'm the first one here. First one here.
The vibe's nice. The vibe's nice. Everyone that's here tonight's here for you. Charlie, tell your friends. That's not optional. Ladies, make a cute step. Make a cute step. Sing it.
For coming all the time. Let's continue to have a good time.
Guys, I feel like it's the next day, by the way, but I feel like every single day I've been say today feel like the hottest day. Today feel like the hottest day. I don't know if it actually is getting hotter by the day, but Mommy brought home green plantains yesterday. I'm tell you them the green like bush out the door. Look on the plantain them now. Like, hello? How is this possible? It's so hot. Right now I feel like I melt. Like I feel like I just gonna melt into a puddle and just melt. But I got mommy back there. I got my jerseys. Hold on. I need the fan because it's too hot. Oh. I wonder if I'm just putting up on the tripod and done because if the camera drop, I just that would have been my 13th reason why I'm not telling a lie. I have enough of going in my life right now. But hold on. Okay. Alright, me could. Okay. Yeah, so I got the jerseys. No, man, my hat. No, man. This feel like sin. I feel like I do something. Yeah, man, earthquake. I feel something. Too hot. Jesus. Anyways, I get the jersey them. I got my 2 jerseys. First up, Brazil. And I got the kid size. I had to get them in the kid size because I'm that skinty and it all look like it's still a little big. Mommy, look.
Yeah, man, I hear that.
It's still look a little big, but you know, more little room in there, supposed more grow. It's not too tight.
Yeah.
So this is it. I get number 10 Neymar. I'll do it not have a name on it. It still have the number, and it feel like regular jersey material. And then I got the France. I just love all the France one have the color, and also got this in a kid size 16, and it's have number 10 on the back. Dembele, but the name though up there.
And Dembele wear 10?
Yeah.
Oh.
No. Dembele wear 7. Mbappe wear 10.
I realize that guys that are the shooters, are them wear 10 and 7.
Yeah.
For all of the teams then.
Yeah.
You know, Vinny Jr., anyway, you pick up yourself.
As if Vinny wouldn't have watched this.
Vinny, somebody I gotta tell him, Vinny, you're large.
I love your confidence in my platform. I love it.
Vinny and Neymar. Neymar, I'm not leave you till you don't know say Brazil.
Guys,
but, you know.
clearly somebody will watch a vlog know Vinny and Neymar, so tell them.
Big up yourself, Vinny Jr. Anyway, you're there for Brazil. That must say. Ronaldo, Lash took a. Oi. Me bring. So you show them here too. Me can't tell them about my two.
Go on.
Go with the road. Brazil and Portugal. There's something there. Alright.
So what will happen if Portugal and France kick off in the finals day?
Me I bring Portugal still. Me don't know what you say.
Alright, bye. Yeah. I'm gonna eat something and cool down because me and some so now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the vlog off here because it's getting a little long. The memory card almost done, the storage almost done for the memory card. So I'm going to go ahead and cap it here. Hopefully this was entertaining enough. Hopefully it will make sense. But this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I had to change out my clothes and everything. I wish I did one of them people that would be comfortable walking naked, because right now I would. I am so hot.
I mean, I want to play a match when you go back.
When? After the Brazil match. Yeah. So that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Again, next week Monday. So until then, toodles.